Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be working on these First Communion party favors. I think they came out super cute. Okay, so you're going to need bows, any that you like, any pre-made bows. I have the stickers, and I have these little like gemmed crosses. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so once you're done assembling all of your little bows, now we're gonna put it all together. So I'm gonna grab one, put a little bit of glue on the back, and I'm gonna place it to the bottle. It's kind of curved, so we're gonna place it right there, in the middle. And then we're gonna grab our sticker.